Hello everyone, welcome to our mathematics channel 360 degree mathematics. Today we are going to start and introduce the chapter complex number, that is complex number analysis. Before discussing the concept of complex number analysis, firstly we have to know the classification of numbers. Generally, the numbers are of two classes. Number one, real numbers. Number two, imaginary numbers. Real numbers, all positive, negative, whole numbers and fractions numbers, and both rational and irrational numbers are considered as under real numbers. But imaginary numbers, when square of a quantity produces a negative quantity, then imaginary number appears. Suppose x square equals to minus 25, that is x equal to root over minus 25, and this can be written as 25 into minus 1, and the expression is root 25 into root minus 1. For root 25 we get plus minus 5, and for root over minus 1 is this. This root over minus 1 is denoted by small I. This is called iota, and it is considered as imaginary numbers. If any negative quantity under the root sign exists, then this produces imaginary number. Hence x equal to root over minus 25, that is plus minus 5i. We can establish as I equals to root over minus 1, I square equals to minus 1, I cube equals to I square into I. For I square this is minus 1, and I, that is minus I to the power 4 equals to I square whole square, that is minus 1 and whole square, this is plus 1. In this way we can get any power of I. The great mathematician Euler firstly introduced the idea of the symbol I, and from this analysis we can focus on the concept of complex number, the number consisting of a real part and an imaginary part. There are two parts, one is real part and second is imaginary part. The number consisting of real part and imaginary part is called complex number. It is denoted by Z, and it is expressed as Z equals to A plus IB. Both A and B are real, but whenever we consider IB, then that part is called imaginary part. A is called real part and B is called IB is called imaginary part. Real part is REZ and imaginary part is IMZ. For example, we can establish an example. Suppose Z equals to 2 plus 5i. Here real Z, REZ equals to 2 and IMZ equals to 5. A complex number Z equals to A plus IB is called purely real if B equals to 0, that is imaginary Z 0, and is called purely imaginary if A equal to 0, that is real Z equals to 0. This is the introduction of complex number analysis, just introductory class. Thank you all for watching this video.